Hey, you! Give me all your money! Give me everything that you have!
Here, this is all I have. This is all I have.
Really? This is all you got?
Yeah, why?
It sucks.
See ya. Little did he know. I noticed that I make a lot of weird faces during the video, so let's put a counter up at the top and keep track of how many I make. So today, probably seen from the little skit at the start and I guess the title, just guessing, we're gonna be making a little Zippo lighter money hider. Right now, got that out. So this is just a casing. So I had the idea to just put a little bit of money in there, but don't close. So a little backstory on this. I was going metal detecting with a waterproof metal detector at my uncle's place. He has a lake. And I found this. So I thought it was really cool. So it's been in the closet for the past like 3 years. But now I got a new Zippo lighter coming from Amazon today. I thought, I should do something with it. It's actually in pretty good condition. It's not, but compared to what usually these look like, I think it's in pretty good condition. I mean, it is. It's not too rusty from the inside, at least. But should I have a mask on? I've got a mask on. I forgot my microphones. Can you hear me well? Hold up. Hold up. It's gonna stay there for now. Okay. It's nasty. The wick is still in there. I'm gonna take that out. Actually, I wish I had tweezers. I don't have tweezers. Okay. Probably just gonna cut this out on. God, this is annoying. If I pull on this hard enough, it'll come out. I was correct. It's so rusty. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I just had to answer a call. Oh, let's go. Yay, it's officially cleaned out. Okay. Okay. Should I clean this out? I don't know. Zip. So right now, I am editing it, and I have no clue what happened to the audio. The audio just kind of broke. And apparently I'm happy about it because I'm raising my hand. I don't know, but I'm confused, confuzzled, and absolutely wobble-dombled. And I'm just gonna do voiceovers for this part now, so be happy with it. Now I'm kind of just rambling on, but okay, I'm just gonna cut this part. Oh, see you, bye. While looking like a constipated cow, I decide that it's probably time to put the dollar bill in. Folding it up and making sure it fits, I put it all together and hope. So the first time the lid didn't close just right, so I had to refold it to make it a little bit smaller. And it's done. Call my friend to see if So if you like my content, make sure to go down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. See ya.